Hello students, Namaste. So we are in lesson 12 of our course and the title for this one is Aaj Dawat Hai. Aaj Dawat Hai, and the English translation for this is there is a party today. Aaj is today and Dawat is party. Now let's see who's organizing this party and why. Let's see the lesson story. So our school has won 2 prizes in singing and cooking competitions, and also there is Raju's birthday today. So he organizes a small get together in his hotel room, invites everyone over, and how he does that in Hindi we will see in this lesson. So these are the 5 sentences. I will read these sentences slowly. Try to repeat these after me, alright? And then we will discuss the grammar structure as we always do. The first sentence is आज शाम मेरे यहाँ दावत है. आज शाम मेरे यहाँ दावत है. In this lesson, you will see a postposition के यहाँ at the place of. At my place will be मेरे यहाँ. Alright? के यहाँ. Now, the second sentence. अच्छा कितने बजे? Question. अच्छा कितने बजे? हम लोग अभी कमल के यहाँ हैं. हम लोग अभी कमल के यहाँ हैं. उसके यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? उसके यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? कुछ नहीं, बस टीवी देख रहे हैं. टीवी देख रहे हैं. And the last and final sentence, and it is a question. आपके यहाँ कौन कौन है? आपके यहाँ कौन कौन है? Alright. Now let's discuss these sentences. So the first sentence is आज शाम मेरे यहाँ दावत है. आज शाम मेरे यहाँ दावत है. In this sentence, we see आज शाम. Little translation. Today evening. So this evening or in the evening. Alright. Similarly, we can say आज सुबह. This morning. आज रात. Tonight. आज शाम मेरे यहाँ दावत है. मेरे यहाँ at my place. Today there is a party at my place. Alright. Today or there is a party at my place in the evening. Right. This is a translation for the first sentence. Now the person he is talking to responds and asks a question. अच्छा कितने बजे? अच्छा we have done already. अच्छा good. कितने बजे? कितने बजे? The question, what time? Now, we will discuss कितने बजे in detail in the chapter dedicated to time telling. For now, just remember, कितने बजे is what time, right? कितने बजे, what time? अच्छा कितने बजे, what time? हम लोग अभी कमल के यहाँ हैं। हम लोग अभी कमल के यहाँ हैं। अभी is right now. We have also ab is now, and abhi is made of ab with e. E means only, and abhi means right now or at this very moment. So we can use them both as synonyms, but abhi is used for emphasis. Right? अभी हम लोग अभी कमल के यहाँ हैं. Right now we are at Kamal's, or we are in Kamal's room. Right? Now Raju asks, उसके यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? उसके यहाँ, उसके यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Present continuous. करना, to do. उसके यहाँ, at his place. At his place. उसके यहाँ क्या कर रहे? What are you doing at his place? The answer is कुछ नहीं, बस टीवी देख रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं. कुछ is something, or some, and nahi is not. Kuch nahi together is nothing. Nothing. Kuch nahi, nothing. बस टीवी देख रहे हैं. बस, just, or that's it. बस means just or that's it. We are just watching TV. The verb here is dekhna. Dekhna is to watch or to see. कुछ नहीं, बस, just, we are just watching TV. देख रहे हैं. Conjugated with हम देख रहे हैं. आपके यहाँ, at your place, कौन कौन है? कौन कौन? कौन is who, and if we use कौन twice, then it means who all. कौन is who all, and कौन is who. So these were the 5 sentences. Now let's do the exercises. So now let's translate these 5 sentences. Well, I will remove myself from the video so that we have more space for answers. Okay, so the first sentence is she's at Kamal's. This is simple one. वो कमल के यहाँ है. वो कमल के यहाँ है. Right? He's at Kamal's. I'm eating at their place today. Today, आज, मैं उनके यहाँ खा रहा हूँ. To eat, खाना, conjugated in present continuous. Right? Masculine singular. उनके यहाँ, वे with के यहाँ, at their place. आज. Time expression in the beginning of the sentence, subject, and then place, and then verb with helping verb. Alright? Then the third one, I'm going to her place today. Similarly, आज मैं उसके यहाँ जा रहा हूँ. जाना, to go, conjugated in present continuous. उसके यहाँ, वो with के यहाँ, to her place. आज, today. Alright. Fourth sentence. I'm watching TV at our place. मैं. Our place. हमारे यहाँ. हम with के यहाँ, हमारे यहाँ. टीवी देख रहा हूँ, देखना. To watch. To see. देख रहा हूँ. For a feminine. Yeah. If the subject is feminine. मैं हमारे यहाँ टीवी देख रही हूँ. Right? The fifth one. Are you at Nita and Rita's? क्या तुम नीता और रीता के यहाँ हो? Simple one. Alright. Now let's see the second exercise. We have to make sentences with these words. कौन, who all. उसके यहाँ कौन आ रहा है. उसके यहाँ, who all are coming at his place. आना, to come. Right? The second word is bus. Bus is just, or that's it. मैं बस टीवी देखता हूँ. I just watch TV. मेरे पास बस एक कार है. I have just one car. Alright. Then the third word is number 20. Peace. हमारी क्लास में 20 छात्र हैं. There are 20 students in our class. 20 students in our class. Right? Fourth one. शायद. शायद is perhaps. वो शायद घर जा रहा है. घर जा रहा है is perhaps going to. Home. Alright. Then तैयार. तैयार is ready. क्या आप सब लोग तैयार हैं? Are you all ready? Right? लोग people. स्कूल में 10 लोग काम करते हैं. 10 people work at the school. Alright? 7. कितने? How many? घर में कितने कमरे हैं? How many rooms are there in the house? And then the last one, सात. सात is number 7. घर में 7 कमरे हैं. There are 7 rooms in the house. These were the answers for these 2 exercises. I hope it was helpful for you. Now let's see what we have. We have translation. We have explanation. You can check these notes as well. And then you see there are 2 more examples here with con. And there are also few other things. Well, that's it. Now let's revise ke yahan with all the personal pronouns. के यहाँ, मेरे यहाँ. With तुम, के यहाँ will be तुम्हारे यहाँ, at your place. इसके यहाँ, उसके यहाँ, at his or her place. Depends if this person is listening to the conversation or not. के यहाँ at his or her place. हमारे यहाँ at our place. आपके यहाँ at your place, formal and plural second person. And then उनके यहाँ and इनके यहाँ at their place. Similarly, at their place. So that's all for this lesson. I will see you in the next.